Don, you ready? You missed the interview this morning. Are you ready for day 2?
We're ready.
We cut you out of the first video, sorry. Always waiting on the Yamaha. I see you bringing your wallet to buy us all lunch.
Planning the day.
I see you got your wallet to buy us all lunch, right?
Planning the day to make the best of the day.
Are you guys gonna separate it all today?
Probably not.
Probably not, I know. You guys do sleep in the same bed last night too?
You with Little Spoon.
Probably. We got a thumbs up, we got a thumbs up. Got any thumbs up? What about over here? You got one.
Whoa, great day.
On drive? Picking up some parts. The local post office.
Post office, get those Yamaha parts. I picked up that train. What's the history of it? I know a couple guys.
I was working on my logo. I was working on the
reel so well, eh?
impressive.
It doesn't need to be there when you're talking to people.
You need to understand what I'm saying.
Is that tagged to your GoPro too?
No. God forbid. You know how much editing that I have to cut her out of?
I'll get down and get a better picture. That's the original steps. They rebuilt this cabin. But this is the original steps. That's the footprints of the kids. They can't go in there.
That's cool.
Oh, really?
Yeah, going in.
So these are the original steps.
You just got to knock.
Yeah, somebody will answer.
What did it say? See, 2 years ago they didn't have the railing on here.
Telegram.
Oh, we got a light on.
Don, just tell Nancy about the stuff there.
Right here.
Little kids.
Original.
The original steps. From when they built, like this cabin's been rebuilt.
just get Eric in the picture. Hang on.
Well, turn your phone sideways. You
I can. I'm doing it all. I'm doing this one. There we go. Perfect. Nice. What? Well done. What? I got your picture. I used it. My relay.
Did you get both of us?
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay.
Jesus Christ. I was only kidding, Don. I'm not like you. No, actually. Has to be different.
You going to get your parts?
Where?
Well, you at the post office. You must have ordered stuff.
No, it wasn't me. It had been you.
Everybody else looks so clean.
I thought you were going for like the sand look, the sand gray, the
yes,
sand
very
light brown look.
Camouflage.
It actually matches with the orange pretty good.
Yeah.
How's that?
You gotta remember this one.
Yeah.
You're out of the picture.
I can't. Can you see the difference? I can't see the difference.
Don.
I think
Remind me,
I think in
don't forget.
Instagram there's this new tag. It's like you find the hidden object within the thing, and then we can tag
Okay.
that as the Yamaha.
And we're giving away our secrets.
Are you guys putting the gift thing in too to get money?
Super
Can't
chat.
see anything.
What's that?
Can you see two objects the same in that picture? They're both blue.
Yeah, the shed house.
Okay, what's the plan now, boss?
Well, no. Just gotta look at my tablet and see which way we gotta go.
Don, so your parts didn't show up at the post office here? You're on your phone there looking for the nearest Yamaha dealership?
Just tracking the
I needed
package.
He
Parts.
did bring us to the post office here.
I didn't know. I got proof that you were working on your machine this morning. I thought maybe you were.
I just trying to keep up with the Yamaha performance there. I guess we adjust air pressure and call that.
I heard you and another
performance
guy there
increase.
talking about turbos and stuff
You
this
know?
morning.
Yeah, I hear that. Mine was blowing off this morning.
Probably have turbo trying to keep up to the 3-cylinder Yamaha.
No,
You got an extra cylinder, I think you should be able to get a turbo.
I think we need a YXZ parked over here, and then we get the
Yeah.
customer parking in the background with USB.
Melissa, pull it around,
And then rent a box in there.
And then a box. He's already got one. He had it from last year.
Oh, you got a nice mount for your radio.
I made it.
Oh, it's good. I was like, it's mine. I don't. This is Derek's. I just borrow it, but it'd be nice for it to be like there.
I was looking up there somewhere.
Yeah. No, want to get you at the waterfalls. That was a good picture. Up there like that. That's good. Ready? You ready? I said, are you ready? Take any lane up there? That's what we're climbing? That's where we're going? That's where we're going? Did you leave some spin marks so I know how to go higher?
I'm just checking.
that not a good idea? I think I need second gear.
I'll try a little bit and see.
Same as like coming down that far, backing down that down far.
You know, you were spinning, so I'll probably lose traction too, right?
Made it farther up than the Yamaha. She's pretty steep. Little second gear, I would have made it. Little momentum, second gear.
Bashing it through the rocks is what I don't like.
Little bumps, little speed bumps there. Because it kind of levels out here.
It's just the first piece.
Oh yeah, that looks better.
I can't believe you didn't hit it.
What do you think, Derek?
I need second gear.
Second gear?
I almost crawled it to where it changes angle. It kind of levels out a little more, but I almost made it that far. I just didn't think I'd make it as far as it did just crawling
It's
out.
bashy here either, right? It's
Yeah.
it's bashing through the big
You got to
rocks.
make that little
I'm just
transition.
afraid of the bump. Like,
Yeah.
it's so much more like pedal to give.
Yeah, but that just means you spin.
You think?
Yeah, but most of the guys take a run at it.
Yeah, like if I
If you
start
can run
running
in there,
I
yeah.
just run right up.
Yeah.
If you stay on this side, right?
Yeah.
Then you're just bashing.
I'm
the hell
just
out of
afraid to
everything.
fall into one of those
Yeah.
ruts.
bad from up here, does it?
No.
But I thought I'd just get over that bump and then it was easy, but it's still pretty steep all the way up.
Yeah.
Did you get me on camera coming up?
I tried to. Those Yamaha guys, though. If you had made it, I probably would have edited it out.
From hey, all that for nothing.
I know, exactly. I have you back. I have mine running.
I think I'll show you just going up like this, and I'll cut it, and then you coming back down from that spot. Not going like.
Oh, he was 5 feet from the top.
I think I can make it.
And if you make it a little bit higher, it's even
Yeah, the
further to
crawl
back
mode?
down.
No, I was just in trail. I was just what I drove in on.
The point I crawled it to, though, you put it in reverse and you're coming down, and the front end feels awful light. You're like, geez, yeah.
You better move yours.
I don't know if he's going for it, then I might have to go down.
What's that?
I might have to go down. I think I'd rather go down at first.
That's nice when your ass end starts passing you. That's a clenching moment.
No, you just get on the gas, hammer down. Where's Nancy?
That's over there.
Okay, go ahead. I'll record you. I think you got the 360 camera rolling, don't you? Okay, you go first. You go first.
Set up?
Yeah.
Set up?
I'll go down behind him. We're random.
squirrely. It pulls you over to that side. That first section is not bad. Once you get up there halfway, if something happens, you're fucked. It's not worth it.
You'll think about it the rest of the week.
Yeah, but if I'm on my side or on my roof, I'll be thinking of that too.
If it doesn't go well, it's gonna go really bad.
That's what I mean.
And we're gonna be idiots.
No, whatever.
We're gonna sit soon, guys. Instantly.
There'll be other stuff we could probably do, but trust me, I want to just hammer down and do it, but
It's rocky and rough. Going down,
I was sliding my back, and then I kept going towards the rut on the right, and then I just let off and said, I'm gonna just coast it up.
At this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Need someone hooked onto him.
Needs that one? Does he need one or two?
Two.
Okay, who's got a winch? Hey? I need a winch.